This Arduino prototype demonstrates how a temperature fan system could work in products such as computers or other electronic devices that produces excessive heat. This has been accomplished by using an if and if-else command, with the code allowing the Arduino to make decisions based on a pre-coded set of rules. If the temperature from an analog input exceeds the designated threshold value, in this instance 30 degrees, it activates the continuous servo motor. Taken further, this prototype would require a higher powered motor, which would entail a potential divider circuit being implemented alongside the breadboard.